Yo, yo, yo. Come on, show me live. Show me live. Mic test. All right. What's up? What's up? Hmm. How'd everybody do so far today? Very slow morning. No trades? It was probably safer. This morning it was nothing. We had literally nothing. We waited. We didn't take this one because of the news, right? I begged my group in Discord. I said, "Don't do it. Don't be that person that does it." Because I saw it coming, so I warned everybody. I don't know if they listened to me, but we had this shoot up. It was like over 100 points. You know damn well that this probably destroyed some accounts. Then we had some shorts that I fucking lost on right here. And then we had these bangers. But nothing's really sticking. So I don't want to be too crazy today. I know, it just like grinded up slowly, right? It was hard to trade though. I know it's up crazy, but it was just really hard to trade. Somebody in my group said that they killed it. I told them to send it in my Discord so I could see it. They said they did it on ES though. Why is it saying quality issue? I know there's a big storm outside right at my house, so thanks for the follow. The internet is pretty slow right now. It is slow. We're still waiting. Everything's just a little dead. I might do some Fibonacci trading. I'm not sure yet. We'll check the gold. I want to do micro. Even gold was really hard. I mean, we did have these bangers, though. Let's see what the Dow's doing. Dow's kind of just putting around here. Gray means no trade for my indicator. There's Kevin. Are all the buy and sell symbols where you entered in for a buy or sell? No, that's my indicator that I coded myself from scratch. Lady Swan. How did you guys do today? I figured I tried to hop on for Power Hour. I just got out of work, home. You guys take any trades today? It was very, very choppy today. We're looking at this gold here. Down, you blame me? You probably would have been up today, right? Because let's just go over to NASDAQ real quick. Uh, 9:30. I said do not trade at all. High news. All right. Even if you're not in my trading group, please look at the economic calendar. This will save you a lot of money. PMI, humongous news. 10 o'clock, humongous news. So I said, I begged my group not to trade. I don't know if they listened to me. But right here is the only short that we got. And I begged them not to do it because it was 2 minutes before we were about to get a PMI news. And look what happened. 100 fucking points the other way. Is it 100 points or is it more? Wow, it's almost fucking 200 points. I don't know. If you guys took that, you would have got destroyed. So we always look at the news. So always keep that in mind. News, 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 news. Then we didn't get a signal all the way until 11:20. It ended up being a loser for me, actually. But the later on after 11 o'clock, you need to trade very lightly because after 11, what happens? It starts to get choppy. You really got to wait. But here, you can see that it started to get really good. So the second one was fucking golden. These were all pretty golden, right? I don't know if I would have traded this one. This short you would have won. Would have took very long, though. So today was very choppy, you know? How do you get that same indicator? You can try it for 30 days free at wap.com. After the 30 days, it is $49.95 a month. So please, if you don't like it, cancel it before the trial ends. It's not expensive. If you follow me, you'll make money. Ask Kevin. This fucker's been making money off of me. I'm just joking. um, or just watch me for a few days before you even join, guys. Just watch me for a few days. Don't trust a stranger. Stranger danger. Right now, there is nothing. Thanks for the follow. I learned how to finally get into my live videos that were on TikTok, and I just started taking some clips on it. I took yesterday's power hour. Oh, I don't want to chase this, but we're gonna take just 2 micros on the gold. And we're gonna see what happens. I'm up a lot of money today, so. But yeah, I was able to clip. I don't even know what day it is right now. What is that? Wednesday? What was that, on Monday? Either Monday or Friday. I was able to clip it and put on the end of the stream. Oh, it was fucking chaos. It was awesome. How much you down today, Kevin? I'm sure it's small. You're pretty what's it called? Sorry, I'm a little tired. I'm on like 4 hours of sleep. Not responsible. There you go. Low risk. 40. Not bad. I just hopped in micro gold futures. I got a buy signal. We're going to see what happens here. We going to see. We going to see. I don't see why we can't hit this. But we usually hold this until the candles turn orange or yellow, indicating overbought. And there could be a potential of reversal. Stop loss will be behind the cloud if the candle closes. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the hearts. I heart you too. This looks really fucking slow to trade. I don't know if I want to trade this. For which one is it? For Tradeovate on TradingView, or you can have bracket orders, I think. For some reason, each broker is different. That's connected. Tradeovate on TV for with what prop firm, or is it just straight up Tradeovate? Cashola, yeah. So Tradeovate directly allows you, but Apex it doesn't give you that option. Why the buy at the top? Because I'm on a 1 minute time frame and I'm following my indicator. If I'm wrong, it's okay. I'm usually right though. But gold's really low volume. I might even just close this. I'm a scalper. I'm a scalper. So how do you look for volume? I I mean, volume on stocks is pretty easy, but when it comes to futures, you can get the hell is it called? Man, my brain is fried today. I'm sorry, guys. I just got out of work. You can get volume 2. Is that what the hell is it called? You can get other volume where you can see people's orders, and then you can see if it's moving there. And then obviously you look at the chart for futures. Is it moving or is it not? Like right now, this looks like a snail right now on the 1 minute chart. So the volume's low. You could also just use times of the day, right? 9:30 a.m. Eastern New York, open to about 11 a.m. You're gonna get some good volume. But recently, since the president's been speaking and making a lot of different noises, it's been making volume throughout the day. I'm using the 1 minute time frame. And candlestick time frame are you using? This is all 1 minute, all 1 minute time. I like cryptos. I have a lot of crypto. I have a full Bitcoin at 6,000. I usually go over crypto at night. I do pretty well in crypto. I just I don't scalp like I do on futures. Futures is my day money. But I think Bitcoin's gonna come back down. It should. It should come down. My original prediction was the 71,000, and then possibly 61. But I was gonna judge it when we get here. It almost came there, 78. But I still think it's gonna come down a little bit further. But we're unsure if it's gonna pull back first. The problem is that we're like we hit that 78% pullback. Let's see one more time right here. Let's see. We're again at the 61. So we can easily get to the 92 and then rip right back down. I would say if we break below this, though, we're falling. But I'm long term. I'm long term crypto. Futures is more like, like when you like SP 500s and the Nasdaq. This is gold. It's basically indexes, but contract wise, it's like options without theta, with no decay. Much easier to trade. Much easier. Options, I suck at options. I suck. And if anybody's wondering, these buy signals is my own indicator that I coded. You can get it at WAP.com for 30 days free. After the 30 days, it's $49.95 a month. If you don't like it, please cancel it before the 30-day trial is over. First off, I don't want somebody to get stuck paying it. And I don't want to hear you bitch either. And if anybody wants to know why I sell it, it's because maybe I'm a little greedy. I want some different income. Maybe get paid for my work. But if you guys watch me, I do very well. If you just follow the indicator, all this is not financial advice. Don't follow a stranger. My NQ entries? Yes. Right now I'm on gold though. But today was a rough day for NQ. I'm lagging a little bit here. I can show you my NQ in a second. Let me just finish this gold trade. It looks like it wants to go up so bad, but the volume's really dead. I'll just go over NQ now because it's very slow. So NQ this morning in Discord, because I had work this morning. I have a pretty decent career that I make good money on, so that comes first. And then our trading. But I've been trading for 10 years. So we had some wild news this morning. So I alerted my group 9:30, 9:45, and 10 a.m. do not trade. The only signal that we got was right next to 10 a.m. and I told everybody not to trade because there's PMI news that were coming out. And look what happened. Almost 200 points in the other direction. Can you guys hear me? I keep saying I'm lagging. I don't want to go over it if you guys can't hear me. Okay, cool. So this is, we didn't want to trade this because it was 10 o'clock and we had PMI news. So this is the only alert that we got this morning. Now, it sucks not to have an alert, right? No signal. Like, oh man. It says couldn't connect. Try reconnecting now. Let me try changing my service. Honey Bun, I don't know if you're new, but maybe follow me before you try things. What if I'm a liar? Okay, so when I try to buy it, it says that I have to buy a unit, but I witness other paying whatever? What do you mean? Siani. So I have a set of rules that I go by before you begin. Like, you need to watch the economic calendar. Do not trade a minute or two before the news. This is what happens when you trade during high volume news. Bananas. And then we had no signals here. Yeah, give me 1 sec. Hopefully this is better. It says I have over 300 megabytes per second download. My upload's very slow though. There's a storm going on right now, so it might be all effed up. Might be all effed up. Alright. Let's try this one more time. Rules for this. Always check the economic calendar. Do not trade the news 1 minute before, 1 minute after. Wait, because this will happen. This will fucking kill you. Then we got no signal for the longest. These are my trades, but this is a different style. I could teach you at a later time. But gray means do not trade. It sucks, right? Because you're waiting there all morning for a trade and nothing happens. But look how choppy this was. You guys would have got destroyed trading this. And I'm sure you did. I'm sure you did. This isn't easy to trade. But my indicator helps keep you out. So we got this stupid signal here. But it was just before news. It was just a trick. So everybody saved money if they listened. Then we got gray market, means do not trade at all. Now, I always say 11 o'clock, 9:30 to 11 is when we should be trading New York Eastern time because it's high volume. So anything after 11, you start to risk it. But I don't know if you guys been paying attention. What's up, Jay? I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but after 11, the president's been making a lot of noise, and there's been a lot of volume later on after 11. So after 11, I do trade a little bit less, like contract size, and I actually had a loser here. It was a loser, and then this was a winner. Then some good volume came in. You could have waited this one. You didn't have to get in right away. You could have waited till your second one came in, and then you hold it. You hold your trade until the candles start turning orange and yellow. You can hold it until the resistance. It's totally up to you. But usually when orange and yellow is when I get out. You might miss some of the profit, but you can ask Kevin in here. This guy takes his profit on orange instantly, and you know what? He's been bagging it. He's been just making the profit right away, which is very good. So you got some more buy signals here, and you would have held it until it turned orange and yellow, indicating overbought. We wait again. So I don't know if I would have taken this because it started to go below the cloud. But you got another buy signal. You hold it until it's yellow. This one would have been a loser. This would have been our first loser here. You buy it. You close on the first candle that goes below the cloud. Do not, I repeat, do not hold it when the candle closes behind the cloud. Even if the price comes back, just consider it luck. Most of the time, this tool, this indicator, is giving you a warning. Something is changing. Something is not right, buddy. And more than none, more often, it's right. You know, something's up. So if you have like one or two trades that are wrong in a row, just sit on your hands for 10 minutes, and most likely it's going to tell you something. This one actually turned yellow. It didn't stick, but it turned yellow. If you were watching, it would have changed. So that was a winner. But then you can see that it started to turn gray. So it's a warning. But today was very difficult to trade. And then later on through the day, you got to use caution because the volume starts to get lower. So you really got to wait. So say like you just get out of a gray market and you get your first buy signal. Don't just buy. I see you, honey bunno. Don't just buy your first signal after all this choppiness. Wait until you get a second signal. Confirm it that it's in a good trend. Then again, we get out during golden orange, meaning overbought. Stop loss is always behind the cloud when the candle closes. Say you were a jerk off and you didn't get out of all this. This is where you would have been stopped out right here, right when the candle closed below it. This one would have been maybe a loser, right? But it would have been a small loser. So it's basically how you use it. You can ask some of the people that are in here. I do very well. But again, I always recommend don't just follow me. You know, watch me for a few days. It works on both. Anything that has volume. It actually works on stocks too. All right, so now we got some orange and yellow here on our gold trade. Let's see if it comes up just a little bit more, and then we'll get out. It's a little slow. It works on anything with volume. So yellow is oversold. Sometimes it likes to be extremely oversold. We'll see if it goes up just a little more, and then we'll get out. So that was a nice little quick scalp. Not bad. But gold is very slow right now. I don't want to trade that. So you want something with high volume. And I do it over and over again. People that are in here that are watching can attest that I do it over and over again. But I keep saying the damn same shit over and over again. First, I curse a lot, and I apologize if it offends you. But don't just follow me randomly. It's not financial advice. Maybe I'm an idiot. Do your own homework, your own research. I don't want you in my group if you're not going to at least do some research. Following some random ass person online, don't do it. And then judge me. Then judge me. But recently in the morning time, it's been pretty dead lately. Hopefully it comes back to normal a little bit. March is a little weird, but this would have kept you out of a bunch of shit. I think I'm freezing again. I don't know what's going on. Outside, there's a wild storm going on, so maybe that's what's going on. Hey, Dadster. How you been doing? Would I trade today? Honestly, I didn't trade that much. I know I had some, it looks like I have a lot of profit here, but there were some NQs that paid me pretty well today. Signals. I mostly traded this. Oh my god. What is going on with the fucking... I keep stopping, guys, and pausing because I keep getting a red alert that my signal is down. My connection's bad. Sorry. So if I stop, it's not because I'm special. But this is mainly what I had my profit on. And I also have Top Step X on a different screen. So I usually have Apex and I have my TradeAvate account, and I take my TradeAvate account and I connect it to TradingView. So on one screen I have TradingView that's connected to my TradeAvate, and then I have Top Step X on another screen to my right. I have 5 screens total. But today I mostly traded NASDAQ futures. I didn't see too much today, and I was working my career job today, but I'm kind of glad I was working today because this was nonsense anyway. Like, what were we doing here? And my indicators told you to stay out too, so you would have been good. But I always recommend later on in the day, just be careful, reduce your size until you can confirm that the signals are working. So right now, we have no signals. I might do some Fibonacci trading just to fill in the void here. And hopefully maybe we'll get some signals towards the end of the day. But it's been caca. I traded last night during the speech. Dude, I was up like $900 before I started, and I gave back like 3/4 of it. So I had to start all over again this morning. I was scalping a little bit at 2 a.m. because I was up for work. But I'm due for an Apex payment. See, I'm kind of liking this, but I'm going to reduce my size, guys. Reduce my size. Because this is the first signal we're getting, and we're already above the cloud. But we'll see. We'll do a little bit of scalping. Maybe we'll hold it a little bit longer, see what happens. But I'm not going to hold this yet. I really wanted to confirm a better trend. Because look what happened. It closed above the cloud. Right now, that's a warning. That's a warning sign for me that it doesn't have a great direction. So that was just a scalp. And Fibonacci is pretty hard to trade, so just be careful. Fibonacci. Fibonacci. All right, we're already back up to it. See, this is going to be all caca. Caca mess. So I usually wait until we get a second signal to confirm that we're going in the right direction. But at 9:30 in the morning until 11 a.m., all signals are game on unless there's a news, some wild news. Then I'll hold off. But I believe this wants to continue down, but we got to see. And also sometimes I'll go to the 5-minute and I'll just see where the cloud is. Oh, look, so the 5-minute, we're still very bullish. We're still very bullish at the 5-minute. But the 1 minute's doing caca. Caca. That would have been my trade right there. Caca. Thanks for the follow. Dylan. Mr. Dylan. John H.R. Eakin. Yeah, so my schedule for this actually might turn out pretty good. My schedule for work rotates. So last week I was on for 6 days straight and we fucking murdered it. We absolutely destroyed last week. But now this week is back to reality. I had to work for the rest of the week. I'll be back on Monday and Tuesday next week. And I always recommend you guys to get a good job, right? Once you guys get a good job, it starts to take the psychology part out of trading. And you won't be so dependent on making the money there. So if you have a good paying job, I don't have to pay my bills with my trading money. Everything that I make trading is all just profit. It'll help you tremendously. Tremendously. So I always recommend that. Get a damn job, boy. My winning percentage today is 83%, though. It's pretty fucking good. And my overall win in the past, let's see what it says. My overall win in this past week has been 80%. That's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Oh, you little shit, Kevin. I'm just joking. Kevin's been banking off me. He's going to subscribe soon. You watch. I'm not going to come online for weeks on purpose. Just until Kevin subscribes. So maybe we'll get another signal. We got to wait. It probably needs to come back up just a little bit. Float to the right, and then hopefully we'll get a choppy down to the bottom there. Thanks for the follow, guys. This is probably gonna fall down more right now. Let's see. We gotta see what it does. All right, so now we got our orange, right? So that means that it's oversold. Do not, I repeat, do not take the trade just because it says oversold the opposite direction. You will be burned eventually. Oh, I'm just joking. Kevin, you're good, brother. Whatever you feel the need. But I'm pretty sure you're probably getting the gist of it, right? So far, at least the indicator wise. It's almost like once you learn like the stupid little rules, I feel like I don't want to say I dumbed it down, but I made it like so your psychology isn't so wild. You know, you get a signal, you take it, you get out when it turns color. That's basically it. Oh yeah, where at? Where at? Where are these Airbnbs? Virginia Beach? Ray, it's very hard to determine how the market's gonna be long term, especially now on a daily, right? Because you can easily get, I can easily tell you that it's gonna go down, right? But what if it goes down like this? This is the bottom right now, and then goes down. Are you gonna be upset? So it's very hard. What stock you look? What stock you trying to close? I'll tell you. I'll tell you what I think. I'm gonna do a little short here. It's probably too early, but I like the. Yeah, I think I'm a little too early on, but we're gonna wait just a minute. If I get back a little money, it's okay. This is not the signal strategy. Hey, should I buy today? What does that mean? Oh yeah, I know. I know how to trade every style, so I just prefer some other over others because of my psychology. All right, what was your main reason of getting in this? Couldn't hold. Tried to break above and it couldn't hold. Is there any earnings soon? Hmm. Let me just make sure I'm not losing a lot of money in this. $117, 1,000 shares. Damn, bro. What made you go into it? And you bought it? You bet it was going up, or it wasn't like a downside, it was upside? Let's see. So it perfectly went here. You really got to be careful here. But most likely this gap up, it's just too risky to tell. It needs to break above this. I'll go back to it. I'm just don't want to lose my money. So you see how it's this line here? You can see that it respected it the entire time. We broke below it, and now we're back at it. Most of the time, Oh, your target is 147. Why is your target 147? It's a pretty big target. And then you're starting to break structure to the upside, right? I don't know, brother. It's a risky one. I don't see a clear signal here on where we're going. All right, we're back right at the 78 here. This is Fibonacci trading, not my signals, because we don't have any signals right now. I don't know. This is risky. This is the risky one, brother. You have two hurdles here. You got to get past this, close above it, and close above this. I can't give you a great answer, man. Sorry. I mostly trade futures. And this is TradingView, but I usually have Tradeovate and I link it to TradingView. Yeah, you're in a rough situation. Let me know what happens. What you do. But if you're out money right now, I mean, it's a lot of money to be holding. Ooh, I need this to fall now, boys. We need this to fall now. Right now. There is a 78% there. Yeah, I don't think this is going to hold at all. What am I trading? 3:16 p.m. See it. I see it. I see it. So it might actually go up to this freaking. Let's see what this leads to. The 78. If it leads right to the, look at that. It's like magic, right? It's probably definitely going to touch here. Right to the top of the fair value gap is the 78%. NVIDIA, what did you get in on? The problem is that if you follow stocks, you would know that November is one of the worst why is anything popping up here? NVDA is one of the worst performing months of all stocks. Could still have downfall. Short term. Look, I already kind of did this already. A, B, C. It's probably going to hit that really quick. But I would say in the end of March, we should probably be bullish again. I bet you we're going to get some stimmy checks, and it's going to boost the market. There you go. There's Daddy. Come back then. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. on the papa. I trade everything. I'm trading futures right now. I mostly use my indicator. This is my brain. This is my madness coded into a indicator. I'm usually very profitable on it, but right now we're not getting any signals, so I'm trying some Fibonacci trading, just some scalping, just some scalpers. But I like long term. Some of the guys are asking about stocks, so I'm looking at it. Most likely we're gonna hit here, right? And then we'll bounce up. I know that's easy. I know what I'm doing. Steezy, please don't come in here and try to teach me, please. If anybody has been following me, they know that I make very good money with it. And what do you mean no, not that indicator? This is my own coded indicator. So I'm not sure what other no, not that indicator means. Oh yeah, I know. And I explain all my rules. I explain all my rules about it. Great little scalp took out at 2065. Yeah, I thought that was pretty good scalp there, right? That fair value gap. Could I explain my indicator? I can. I mostly use it 9:30 in the morning, Eastern New York time, to 11 a.m. in the morning. But recently, since the president has been in office, it's been very good to trade with it. In the morning time, this actually kept me out of the entire morning. And look at this chop that it would have took me at I would not have traded. Gray means stay out. We got one signal here, but I already alerted my Discord group, do not trade this, because there was 10 o'clock PMI, right? It's a huge news. So you get a signal, and you hold it until the candles turn color, indicating overbought or oversold. So after you have a lot of gray candles, you wait for a signal. You don't get in the first signal. You wait for the second signal. I don't know why this is not loading here, but this is a signal right here. What the hell is that gap? I'm having a little bit of lag, I think, because of the storm outside. But you get in during the signal, you hold it until it's orange and yellow, and you get out. You rinse and repeat. Stop losses behind the cloud. No fighting. Who cares? Who cares who has more money? Who cares who has more money? It's all about who's keeping the money, right? Who's keeping the money? All right, that's a nice downtrend. It is 350, so be very careful. If we do get any signals, we're probably only going to take about one contract. Just because I don't want to get back my profit, right? We can easily go to this area. And then we have another one. If it starts pumping, then dropping, we'll hold it over here. Oh shit, it is while I'm fucking speaking, boys. Maybe we'll get a signal. Thanks, Liberty. Yeah, everybody knocks me down. I'm starting to get some really big names that come in here and try to put me down. And I keep trying to tell them to come in during live, because I'm probably going to make them look very silly. No, he's one of those guys. Don't follow into him. Don't follow into him. He's one of them. Don't just ignore him. Thanks, Edge, for the follow. He's one of those guys. He's an XRP bro. Bro knows ICT strat is better than your indicator. Oh my god. Bro, please leave. Don't come in here with ICT. You can talk about fair value gaps, but I can't take this. This is how I know that you're young. This is how I know you're actually not profitable. I'm sorry. All right, so we got that nice pullback to that 61. If we can get a signal from here, this should drop pretty nice. All right, Steezy. Is live trade free? What's that mean? Steezy, I don't have anything to prove to you. I actually suck. Can you go to the next channel? I'm actually very terrible. Don't follow me. Please don't follow me. I am absolutely terrible. Oh, you're losing power, Kevin? I know, I'm a little scared too. No, Discord fees. I have some learning of Discord sections. We could talk a little bit, but mostly my indices section is paid. I'm still working on it though. I'm still growing. I only have about 90 people in here, and we're still growing though. No problem, Steezy. No problem. You don't have to follow me, brother. Yeah, I have a learning section if you need it, just to learn your basics. And people like Steezy that come in here and talk a lot of crap, I actually just tell them don't join. Just watch for a few days. Don't follow some random person online. I could be some idiot. He could be right. Yeah, BT, there was no signal, so it was no good. Yes, Jasper, I want you to watch for a few days for sure. Oh boy, please don't watch ICT. Yeah, you can go watch my videos. I got a shit ton of videos. I trade live. I was live for like 6 days. We made like almost $7,000 probably last week together, all of us. I mean, not everybody made 7K, but I pulled in pretty nice. Were you in the Robbins Cup? No. My strategy actually wouldn't work for the Robbins Cup. Their fees are too high if you know what you're doing. This guy's trying to be very mean to me, but I'm trying to be very nice at the same time. I keep telling him he doesn't have to be here. I have no real strat. Are these one of these guys that keep doing this? Yeah, I'm like down. I'm right around 80%. You're actually higher, Kevin, because you've been less risky. I keep praising you. You're doing awesome, dude. I kind of wish I had your mentality a little bit. If I had your mentality, I'd probably be like 15 G's up this week, right? I can time him out if you guys want. If he's annoying, I can. We might not get anything. It's 3:57 p.m. Steezy. Right now, I'm just looking at some Fibonacci trading. Oh, Kevin, you learn with real money, bro? You gangsta. You gangsta. I'm actually not gonna be live this week, unfortunately, Steezy. I'll be live Monday and Tuesday next week. As long as you behave, you're more than welcome. Why? I have a. It doesn't matter how much I make. I have a very good paying job. And if you have a good job, it helps you with trading. Helps your psychology. Zamba, you could be very well true there. It might get a little wild right here. I don't see any good trade. I don't see anything worth it to risk my profit. You think so? How? What? Having a good job? I mean, if you must know, I make almost 200K a year, which allows me to trade a lot less stressful. I have a more clear-minded head. The only reason why I said that is because it really helps to have a good job, guys. You don't even need that. You just need to live with your within your means, right? Exactly. If you're living the trade to pay your bills, it gets really stressful and you're probably going to mess up. One of the reasons why I created this indicator is because of my psychology. No, it's not my style. Everybody has their own niche. The only thing I like from ICT is his fair value gaps. Other than that, I've been trading for over 10 years, and most of the stuff he's teaching is reworded stuff, in my opinion. My opinion. But ICT is like trying to convince one of those XRP bros that it's not mooning. Let's see what BTC did today. Man, BTC, I still think it falls. Let's look at Solana. Yeah, but I don't understand why you have to watch exactly that one. All the other ones, you just. I tried to look at it because I'm curious. I've been trading for over 10 years, so I like to know all strategies just to be well versed when people are talking. And there's very few good ICT traders that I've met in real life. You could do it, but you need to simplify it in your own way. He complicates it. So Solana's still chilling around that good zone. The only problem is that we can drop down to this 80, which is going to suck, but you got to man up. You got to man up if it drops there. I agree. It just doesn't sit well for me. Like I said, you can have your own niche. Everybody has their own niche of trading. Mine's just 1 minute. Mine's 1 minute scalping with my indicator that I coded. And I must admit, almost all indicators are too lagging, right? But I'm able to find one that is almost real time I created. That's why I'm able to do what I do. I mean, I traded anybody in here that watched me. I probably made over 7,000 last week. What is today? I don't even know what today is. What's today? Wednesday? Yeah, last week into this week, I probably made over 7 G's. That's okay. I think 7,000 is pretty good, decent money. Some people make more. I just don't like to risk that much. I'm content with it. Regardless of what I make or what I'm not, I did have almost an 85% winning rate. Except for last night. I fucked up last night, whoever tuned in. I actually got most of that money back, whoever watched me. I was trying to scalp the freaking news. What up, Johnny? What up, what up? We're pretty much done for today, though. There's not much. Volume's completely dead. Look at this. Chop, 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 chop. Indicator gave one signal there, and that was it. Nothing else. All choppy. US, yes. Dang, look at that drop. This is the mark where I said I was gonna go to. Why is it so? Why did it happen so delayed? I thought the volume would have happened just before 4. Let's see. Rip no P&L. Like for me, my P&L. Every time I show my P&L, I get fucking banned. So I tell everybody to pretend that I'm a scammer. Don't follow me. Pretend I'm using fake money. And then make your own judgment. You're saying cap on me? No. Nope. People in here have seen it. You can see my Tradeovate accounts here. Actually, I can show just my Top Step if you want, actually. Yo, yo, yo. Because you guys are, you fuckers are ruthless on here. One of you guys actually stated and flagged me as some sexual predator. I was like, what the fuck? Counts. I'm not actually, I can care less about Steezy. I actually don't care. I'm actually just want to show you guys. I want to show the others. I want to show the others. This is just Top Step. How about them apples, baby? I mean, you can see the dates. I just don't want to send my my account. You guys fucking always. You guys are probably gonna like. Somebody's probably gonna report me off of this stupid shit, and it's so annoying. I think I've been banned like 12 times in the past fucking week. That's why I said pretend I'm a joke. Pretend I'm fake. I keep trying to want you guys to pretend I'm a nobody. But this is summer last week, right? And into this. That's not bad. Just as just one account. It seems like a ton of people are trading on my FYP. Does that mean I'm on the right side of TikTok? I don't even know what FYP means. For Shadow, I do look at supply and demand, but I'm mostly a 1 minute guy. That's what she said. Yeah, I'm sorry, I missed your thing. I have my actual career job too, but it rotates, so I can only like I work 4 days and I'm off 4 days, so every week it switches. Now my trading view is a lot. My Tradevate is a lot larger today. I'm not gonna go through this mess though. Everybody's arguing with this guy. I'm actually not even showing my profit for them. I was showing my profit for you guys because I thought it was pretty impressive to have 83%, right? That's a good fucking ratio. I could really care less about the Steezy guy. I keep begging everybody to think that I'm just some fake trader. I beg you. I beg everybody. Hurt me? No, actually, the amount of stuff I've been blamed for the past week and a half is quite funny. So nothing's really gonna bother me. It's not a problem. Not a problem. A7, you can't on Twitch, you can't use it on Tradevate. You have to connect your Tradevate to TradingView. Then you can use the indicator. No matter what, my indicator is only on TradingView. You got to find a way on how you want to use it. You can actually download a free version of TradingView and then say you wanted to trade MNQ without attaching your Tradevate. You could just do like NAS 100, which would give you the same exact results as MNQ. So there's ways around it. But I like to trade my broker totally to it. Yeah, but Steezy, if you're FX Brad, bro, I got flagged as a sexual predator yesterday or the day before, so it's probably because like this guy Steezy. Yeah, a sexual predator. I've done nothing but like beg people to think that I'm fake, everything, because I want you guys to just stay and just watch and learn. So like today, you know what today was? You know how many messages I got today, guys? Why I'm not on? And I'm like, damn, you guys are really making money off of me. Which I don't care, because I'm making my own money, right? Eventually you guys are gonna need me. And that's my goal, is to have you guys stay. My goal is to use you guys at the same time, right? We're gonna use each other. I know I'm not probably supposed to talk like that, but I'm pretty real with it. You too, FX. I gave you a follow back. I'm gonna hop on your stream one time to check you out. I'm sorry if I missed some of your messages. I'm just trying to look back real quick. Dude, you have no idea. I'm not joking. So many people have challenged me in the past week. The one guy kept saying I'm his liquidity. And once again, I was right. When are you coming back on next? Dad, I will be on Monday and Tuesday. I work all the way until Friday. I have Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday off. But then I go back to work Wednesday, unfortunately. Fucking JB. You're always fucking late to the party, bro. Liberty, you have been saying that. You're a faithful mother effer. Yeah, FX, Brad, I want to check you out too. I want to see your style. It's easy. I begged them not to stay. They just see the profit. Yo, don't let me make Steezy. I'll fucking stick Liberty Prime on you, bro. And you're gonna regret it. You're gonna regret it. JB, unfortunately, you are late to this club. Today. Today was just supposed to be an hour stream. I gotta go eat dinner. Yeah, I'm actually up. FX Brad, what time do you stream? Because I have work. I'm at work at 3 a.m. Eastern. Explain more on how stocks work. Is it the same on the computer and phone? Ooh, BRG. Go study, brother. Hit up some YouTube. I did lose a little sense of time. I'm on an hour and 20 minutes, but my dinner's ready. Yeah, you late. Just finished a little range session. Ooh. Don't tell me it was with live hogs, bro. Always on at 3 a.m., Kevin? He keeps coming in here because he's getting flagged too. I think there's just some trolls going around. This is my own personal indicator. I can't. Yeah, that's the only ICT guy. Oh, T. Oh, Golf Rail, the simulator. That's right. You were saying that. We don't know, bro. I feel like at nighttime you put on some I feel like you kill hogs with your bare hands, and then no. At nighttime, I feel like you get dressed for the club, and then after the club, because you're fucking all high on life, you feel like going hog hunting. Am I close? Did I trend trade or reversal? Today was pretty hard to trend trade. I'm pretty accurate. I know I'm accurate. Can't say my job, but I read people for a living. I'm actually like willing to bet that Steezy actually doesn't make anywhere near the money that he's saying. No, I just came on for Power Hour. Unfortunately, I'm at my job during the day. I'll be back on Monday and Tuesday, guys. Though Monday and Tuesday, I'll be live 9:30 Eastern. Oh, yeah, that's true. You didn't say that, Steezy. That was somebody else. I apologize. What website is this? The only thing I like is fair value gaps. But if you see something that you would want to share during my stream and you're not negative towards others, you're more than welcome to. But if you are negative, it's going to be adios, amigos. Adios, amigos. Where do I get the free version of TradingView? You just go to tradingview.com and download it and just sign up for the free version. You won't get my indicator for free if that's what you're asking. I mean, you can get a 30-day trial, but you have to sign up for that. FX Brad. Oh, I was trying to ask you, what time do you go live, Brad? Yeah, I can only stomach fair value gaps. Other than that, I don't like anything that he says. Trading View. But I do have Trade of Apex attached to this. Oof. Any short signals now, it's at your own risk, brother. We're getting late in the day. What's the website called? Oh, for my indicator. Now, you can try it, but I want you guys to learn first before you even sign up. Pretend I'm a nobody, guys. Pretend I'm a nobody. But it's WAP.com, Bully Bears Trading. You get a 30-day free trial. After the 30 days, it's $49.95 a month. So if you don't like it, please cancel before the 30 days. Sleazy, I don't know. I see a lot of ICT people fail after a while. But I do see the fair value gap people make it. They definitely make it. FX Brad, I'm usually 3 a.m. Eastern, bro, but I'm giving the live a break until I can figure out why the flag. Oh, I'm sure I might get flagged after this. I have no idea. There's just some freaking haters. I don't know what's going on. I actually tried to email them, FX Brad, and they didn't reply back to me on what I can do to prevent it. But most of the time, my ban's only for like a couple minutes, except for the sexual one. The sexual one, I was banned for like almost a day. JB, there's no, you don't have to argue with him. He's not gonna understand. Yeah, sometimes I'll do price action. Depends what kind it is. My gains today was 50-50, dads. Um, right here is where most of my gains were, and then I did some fib action in between. Today, though, if you would have just listened to the indicator, I don't know if you saw me in Discord, but I told everybody not to trade during the news. Unfortunately, there was no signals, right? But that was a good thing because it kept you out of this mess. Not many people were making money in this. Yeah, FX, I'm actually up at work, so I'll try to hop in your stream if you're live one time. When I started, I actually had beginner's luck when I started for like 8 or 9 months and thought I was the best, and then I got humbled in the following year really bad. Yeah, Kevin, I agree. Fair value gaps, I'm still learning on it, but it all kind of like looks like support and resistance to me. I never lost 80 bands. BOS. If I lost 80 bands, I would not be. Actually, I don't know if I lost it, but like my meme coin, not my meme coins, my altcoins. I thought there was gonna be a second pump last cycle, and there never was. I watched 100 G's go from my. Gotcha. That fib the other day when you were down 2K and then came back to a small profit was scary. It was. I do not recommend that, Dadster. The only reason why I could handle that 2K is because of my count size. So remember that. I actually recommend not to do that at all. I actually thought that was a stupid move. Very stupid. Stupid educational wise for you guys. And more of a gambling mindset. Very stupid of me. Oh, yeah. If you guys are annoyed by him, I could just block him. It's okay. You guys let me know. He benefits me at all. Nothing at all. I'm just here to welcome everybody if they want. You guys say the word and he gone. In my first stock, I actually started with like $1,000 about 12 years ago. Oh, he's reporting people's counts? Okay. I'll take care of it. Sorry, dude. Unless he's gonna behave. You gonna behave? Or you out? I can put him on timeout too. There's a timeout button here. I didn't know it was a timeout. We could also mute him. Should I mute him? Alright, I muted him. You invested one band, then made what? I made that almost into probably like 10 grand. And that was support and resistance on a daily time frame. And then that was actually in Forex. And then I was an idiot and went to other things. And that's when I got really lost. I went into like more of a gambling mindset. And then I had to readjust my brain. But if I'm not an idiot, I'm due for a $4,000 payout in Apex on 2 accounts. So hopefully I can do that tomorrow. Yeah, find your niche. Don't use real money at first. And then when you do use real money, use very small. Get the feel of it. Because you're going to lose. You're going to lose. And accept it. And don't think it's going to be your main income. It takes years. You're trading against the best people in the world. What's your opinion on Nick Cannon? What do you mean? JB? That one threw me off. No, BOS. The more money you invest in the beginning, the more you're going to lose. Oh. Yeah, BOS. If you're thinking like that, bro, you're going to lose already. Start small. Start with like $300. If that. All right, guys, I got to get off. I got to go eat dinner. I've been on way past my my time here. I won't be live until Monday and Tuesday, 9:30. I've been trying at anybody that's in the chat, have I been too annoying in Discord? I want to find like the right amount of volume to talk. I don't want to sound annoying. Either that or you guys can just freaking turn off all alerts and only do like the @everybody alert. So you only get that one. Because I don't send those out a lot at all. Because I don't want to disturb anybody. Because I know that's annoying. Well, JB, you're a completely different story. Yeah, but I don't like to do. I'm not one of those guys that does at everyone. I'm only gonna do that if there's like some wild buy that we're gonna make $1 million on. I'll do that. But I'm not gonna just spam it because I hate the other discords that do that. I end up muting some of them. I don't want to be that person. I only do at everyone when it's needed. Thanks for the follow. Okay. Did anybody else think I was too annoying in indices? I did at here. I don't know if that means I'm just messaging at here to people only in that indices, or am I messaging everybody? I'm still learning. Okay. So then I'll just keep posting normal, but I won't do I won't do like at everyone. I want to probably just do like at here or something, but I won't go crazy. The here pings at everyone that's online. So then I'm gonna do that one then, JB, probably. If you know, when I start seeing signals or some shit. Alright guys, I gotta eat dinner. Before it gets cold and I'm mad and I'm angry. I'll see you guys later, and then I'll talk to you guys in Discord. Later. If you're not subscribed, subscribe.